Thank you for purchasing the SomnoFit S. Here's the user's guide. The package contains the following items: instructions for use, a ventilated storage box, 2 splints, one upper, one lower, a water temperature indicator, an impression board, and a set of flexible strips. Heat a pot of water with the temperature indicator until it changes from green to red. Once the water reaches 176 degrees Fahrenheit, at that point, turn off your hot plate, then plunge the upper mouthpiece, identifiable by its single hook. Wait 3 minutes, then remove the mouthpiece from the pot and shake out hot water. Stand in front of a mirror and place the mouthpiece on your upper teeth. Be sure to center the hook and slot between the incisors. Insert the impression board under the mouthpiece. Bite down hard for 5 seconds. Press on the edges of the mouthpiece for a perfect molding of your teeth surfaces. Then release pressure on the teeth and remove the impression board. Rinse your mouth with cold water. Let cool for 3 minutes. Repeat the same procedure to heat the lower mouthpiece. Remove your mouthpiece, then place the splint on the teeth of the lower jaw. Mouthpiece's slot must be aligned with the upper mouthpiece's hook. Bite down hard for 5 seconds. Press on edges of the mouthpiece. Rinse your mouth with cold water. Let cool for 3 minutes. Remove the upper mouthpiece, then the lower mouthpiece. Choose a flexible strip according to the instructions, and cut off ties to the edge of the strips. Place the strip vertically on the hook of the upper mouthpiece, then rotate the strip a quarter turn. Place the strip holes over the hooks on lower mouthpiece, then join the mouthpieces together. The SomnoFit S is now ready for everyday use. Every evening, place your guard in your mouth to enjoy a peaceful night's sleep.